Paul from SmoothStar, welcome, and today we're going to be talking about a clicking noise that you may experience in the front of your board inside the thruster. Now this is different to the squeaking noise that I mentioned in a previous video, so please refer to that video if it is a squeaking noise that you have. Okay, so things are about to get fiddly, so please feel free to use your glasses. So there's a good chance that the clicking noise is coming from the underneath of your board in the main spring where it attaches to the tension arm. So here is the setup of the spring, the tension arm and the main bolt. Now if the spring is located in a certain angle, it can create the clicking noise. So what I'm going to show you is how to rotate the spring a half turn and potentially get rid of that noise. First of all, what we're going to have to do is to remove the thruster system and the truck from the deck. It's simple to remove the front truck system from your deck. Unscrew the front bolts and the rear bolts. The tools you'll need to get rid of the clicking noise are a pair of nose pliers, the 6mm Allen key that came with your SmoothStar board, and a 2.5 by 25mm split pin. Now you'll have to cut the split pin down as you'll only need about 15mm in length. So the first step is to take our Allen key and actually tighten up the thruster, just so the split pin now becomes free. The second stage is to actually straighten up the split pin so we can actually pull the split pin out. Now that the split pin is out, I can loosen the spring. Just watch that the washer doesn't fall off. So keep loosening it just to the end of the main bolt. So we've now loosened the spring to a point where it can turn. The tension arm can become loose, that's fine. While you have the spring very loose, it's a good idea to take a photograph of the end of the tension arm in case you need to send that off to SmoothStar support for any further inspections required. We're now going to turn the spring half a turn. And this has relocated the spring on another section of the tension arm. Grab your split pin. Don't forget to cut the 32mm length down to about 15mm. Otherwise it's just too much metal to bend over. Nose pliers to hold, through the hole, drop it in, hold it with your finger on one side, grab your Allen key, bend the 2 points of the split pin back upon itself. You may need to turn the spring ever so slightly to access the points as you bend it. Once that's done, tighten a little further and then place your mechanism back onto the board. Test it, hopefully the sound is gone. If not, send off the photographs that you took earlier to SmoothStar support and we'll take it from there.